Welcome. Please, have a seat.
Hey. Thanks. Leave you alone.
Alright. Sounds good. Who do we have here? Aiden. How are you, Aiden? Alright, well, my name's Dr. O'Callahan. You could call me Chewy if you like, because we're friends. People in the outside world may think you're crazy because you're in a psycho ward. I don't think you're crazy, Aiden. You're not a bad person, and I'm here to prove that. But first, let's start. Why do you think you're here, Aiden?
I hate myself.
Why do you hate yourself, Aiden? Is it something to do with your family? Did something happen that made you become who you are today?
It was a long night. 3 years, 18 months, 17 days, 5 weeks, 3 hours, and 2.35 seconds ago.
I feel like shooting right at Penny's face. Right here!
Aiden, Dogda, O'Doherty, where have you been?
I told
all
Mom!
around town looking for you.
I told Mom!
You need to show some chivalry to your mother.
I told her!
Okay?
I told her where I was!
No, you did
Get
not.
out of my life!
No,
You don't
did not.
understand.
Okay, you're walking home right now.
No, I'm
Right?
not.
Yeah, you're grounded
No.
for 1 week and 41 days. You
I'll
got
fight
that?
you guys when I
You
want.
got that?
Why don't you just leave? I hate you! I hate you!
Kids these days always want to talk back, no chivalry whatsoever.
Yes, officer?
This is O'Doherty.
Yes?
I'm afraid to tell you, your husband died in a car crash a little bit ago. He wasn't wearing a seatbelt. If you don't take this hard, you can call the police station. We'll have service open for you, okay?
Okay.
Have a good day.
Aiden! Aiden!
What is it, Mom?
It's your father. He's dead.
I hate you! I hate you! You just leave. I hate you! I hate you! I hate you!
And for just $1.95 a month.
I hate you!
I'm sorry, Aiden. That's a very, very tragic story.
If only I had spoken to him like it was the last time I was going to see him.
Yeah. Well, now you know. Well, your time's up. I guess I'll see you on Thursday.
Come on, let's go.
You kick up the leaves and the magic is lost. Tell me your blue skies fade to gray. Tell me your passion.
Oh, welcome. Hello. Aiden. My name's Dr. O'Callahan, but you can call me Chewy.
Every time, and I don't need no care.
What are you doing here? What did I tell you to do?
I told Mom.
Call me.
I told Mom.
Call me.
I told
You
Mom.
need to show some chivalry to your mother.
Oh, Mom.
You spit in my eye.
Mom, it was...
Right! You! Aiden, Doctor, oh, don't hurt
What are you doing
Where have
here?
you been? You're supposed to call. leave a message,
I
you're gonna
told
go
Mom.
anywhere. Okay,
I
show
told Mom.
civil or chivalry.
You had a bad day, you're taking one down. You sing a sad song just to turn it around. You say you don't know, you tell me don't lie. You worry